My name is Josh Sutton with Elite Roofing Restoration Services. I'm president of the company, so I run the day-to-day operations. In April of this year, in 2021, there was a sizable hailstorm that took place in a very affluent area of Dallas-Fort Worth. The dollar size of this project was going to be near $500,000, and it's a fierce competition. We're all great contractors in our own right. Chuck has some unique sales tactics. Once he kind of explained what he wanted me to do, I didn't think about it, I just did it. It was a handwritten card in a very particular colored envelope. In the roofing business, it's extremely rare to get a handwritten card. The whole structure from top to bottom of this handwritten card was all done with a purpose. We made one tweak to it, made all the difference in the world. And literally, when I was handing over my iPad to have the client sign the contract for about $500,000, the client told me that that was one of the things that helped secure the deal. It just showed that you take a little extra step, a little extra care. And when you do something that small, on a project that size, you're probably gonna take a little extra care in some of the bigger details too. Anybody can do this as long as you actually do it.